Hi everyone, happy Halloween. It's October 1st, so I'm coming with you with a bat eyeliner tutorial. So I'm just putting my hair up to get started. The first thing that I like to do is brush my eyelashes. I have eyelash extensions, so I just make sure to do this every time I do my makeup. For this tutorial, you're going to need eyeliner, and I prefer a felt tip like this one right here. This one's by Maybelline. This was kind of hard, so I ended up using some dark eyeshadow to map out my graphic liner. Using the tiniest paintbrush, I'm just taking that black eyeshadow, and I feel like this was more forgiving than the eyeliner, so I wanted to start out by mapping it out with this eyeshadow. So I am mapping out the bat wings, so I'm just kind of doing little arches and connecting them together. That way it looks like bat wings. So off camera, I kind of figured out the shape that I wanted. That way I can show you guys for the next eye. But I'm making sure to wing out the eyeliners. I want this eyeliner to be dramatic and like a graphic liner, so I'm just taking it way past my eyebrow. If you do this eyeliner, don't be hard on yourself. As you see here, my makeup wipe was my best friend in creating this look. I just had to figure out what worked with my eye shape, and I felt that working backward for this look was a lot better, so kind of doing this C shape right here that you're seeing, it creates that bat wing effect, and then just filling it in and then creating the point at the end is what worked for me, but definitely do what works for you. Now going in with my eyeliner again, now that I have my shape drawn out, I'm just going to outline it. So like I said, the eyeshadow was more forgiving. I was able to kind of erase and makeup wipe wherever it was needed. And now that I have my shape, it's super easy to just go in with the eyeliner and trace those outlines. I kind of like that the eyeshadow gave this eyeliner more of a grungy look. I don't know if you can see, but it gives it like a little shadow. And then I'm going back in with the black shadow and kind of filling it in just to create some depth in the look. Going back in with my eyeliner, I'm taking from the C shape and just connecting to each of the points of the arches that I made. And then I am doing the other side. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm just going in with the rest of my makeup, starting out with my brows. I have completely changed my routine of how I do my makeup. I wear less and less makeup every day. So I just kind of lightly go in with a dip brow. I do need a lot of brow help, so I still use the dip brow. I dilute it with some facial spray, And then I do not carve my eyebrows out anymore. I don't even do my eyebrows really dark anymore. I just kind of fill in where it's needed. For foundation, I still use my freaking favorite Milani 2-in-1 foundation, but I only put a little bit of dots in my under eye circles. I feel like my skin is super nice, just I have a dark under eye circle, so I just cover that. Throw on some bronzer. This is the Milani bronzer in Dolce, I believe. For blush, I still use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Peachy Blush Trio. And then with the brow powder, I just do some freckles. For lips, I am using the ColourPop and Sailor Moon collection lip gloss. And then for lip liner, I actually learned this trick from Pika on TikTok. I'm using this brownish color eyeshadow as lip liner, and I just do it over the lip gloss and it looks so freaking pretty. I love how this turned out. That is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, please just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. I'll see you soon in my Halloween videos. Bye everyone!